Indaba ubone sengazuthi isonto lakho liyakusebenzela. Sengazuthi umfundisi wakho noma umprofeti wakho noma umvangeli wakho uyasebenza impela empilweni zenu. Indaba abantu aba spiritually awaken babe kwi lonely journey most of the time. Beba abantu ababodwa nje endleleni basithole bengabodwana angathi inkomo edla yodwa. Kwenziwa yini konke lokho? Hayi kwenziwa umthetho ke. La kusetshenzwa ngomthetho. There is a law of polarity. Angitsho ayizwa lonto. There is a law of vibration. There is a law of gender. There is a law of mentalism. Yeah, in fact nje kubukeka sengazuthi yonke lemithetho iyona edala yonke lento. Ukuchazela ukuthi kanjani. Yabona umfundisi wakho, isonto lakho. Lezo zinto lezo zingama ornament okukusiza wena ukuthi i-subconscious mind yakho ikwazi ukusebenza in your favor. Kodwa hayi ukuthi umfundisi wakho nesonto lakho ikona okunamandla okusebenzayo, cha. Wena osebenzayo unike kona amandla, wena kodwa unamandla okunakho ngalesi sikhathi. Ubengile lo changes akhasho ukuthi kungenzeka noma yini, noma inini, noma kanjani, kunoma ubani, ngoba impilo ayisiyona lento ocabanga ukuthi iyona. Possibilities are infinite in the universe. Your own consciousness is your own limitation. Kukude lapho sisuka khona futhi kukude lapho siya khona. Beka phansi umoya, ungatatazeli, uyabona. Akuyona into esebenzayo. Ukukholelwa kwakho kuyo okusebenzayo. Noma yini wena oyithathayo ukholelwe kuyo uyigcwalisa ngamandla leyo nto leyo. Ayizwa lonto. Yabona njobe esuke ethi shout hallelujah sekwenzekile sekuqashukile ngiyabona nazi sibonakaliso kuyenzeka empilweni yakho, usuke enza lento ekuthiwa i-mental polarization. Upolarizer umqondo wakho. Yes, mental tuning leyo, it's a mental it's an alchemy kahle kahle leyo. You are turning base metal into a gold. Yabo, a mental transmutation le. Usuke ethatha umqondo wakho uthathe ubeka kwi vibrational state ethile bese upolarizer on the positive side. Yabo, aw polarizer on the positive side. Aw impregnate, that is a law of gender. Ngalento aw impregnate ngayo wena bese uyabelieve uwe owenza ukuthi lento isebenze. Uwe akuyena uwe. Yabo, bese uyabelieve yena ukuthatha kubeke kwi level ethile wenza ukuthi wena ukwazi ukuyilapha. Ufana nodokotela nje. Yabo udokotela lo medical doctor nabefundisi lapha nabantu aba spiritual laba o changes akasha bonke laba basebenza umsebenzi owodwa lapha. I'm just a doctor nje as well. Yabo olaphani olapha isoul yakho. Ngoba udokotela akakwazi ukulapha. Umzimba uzilapha wona. Akanawo amandla udokotela okulapha. Uthatha umzimba ubeke kwi state sokwazi ukuthi uzilaphe wona, ngoba yena iyona into ayifundele lo ukuthi umzimba wazi ukubeka kwi state sokwazi ukuthi uzilaphe. Kodwa yena uthi uyakwazi ukulapha, akawulapha, akanawo amandla okwenza lokho. Umzimba iwona one intelligence ukwazi ukwenza lokho. Wena kumele uenable, you need to enable the body ngendlela ezithile. I-art ke le, yabo, i-art ke le edinga lapho. So it is the very same thing enzekayo nasemqondweni wakho. Wena you just need in i-art yokwazi ukupolarize umqondo wakho to a desired state, yabo, because njengoba ngishilo ngathi yonke lento le it works with the law of the universe or the universal laws, yabo. Lawo engihlezi ngikhuluma ngawo kuma hermetic principles nakwi the Kabbalion. Yabo mokhuluma nge-law of gender, law of vibration, law of polarization, law of polarity, law of yonke lento le imithetho. Yabo i-law of rhythm as well. Makufika izimo ezithile in your life, makufika izimo ezithile, lezo zimo lezo ngoba vele ayikho impilo eba straight nje straight line, ziyafika kanje izinto, but kumele ukuthi wena ukwazi ukuzipolarize makufika izimo zobuzima, ukuthi umqondo wakho uthune into a desired state ukuze makufika izimo zingakusweyi around, yabo, zingakuguguli. Wena kumele ukuthi ukwazi ukuyipolarize wena umqondo wakho ukuthi ube above the situation, ngoba vele eventually isuke izodlula. Zingakanani izinto owucansi ngedlule ezadlula kodwa awuboni ngani ukuthi you are just dramatic if you come across situations and then you think this will never ever pass. Lezi ezinye zadlula kanjani? So naye nabo abafundisi ke nawo wonke nje umuntu uyakupolarize lemqondweni wakho, kodwa lonto leyo na into emeli uyazi usokuyi ornament leyo isebenzayo wena wenza umsebenzi. Shuthu wena mele uyifundise ukwazi ukuzenzela lento ube self motivated. When if you want to be motivated, who do you think motivates the motivator? Who motivates the one who motivates the motivator? Yabo, don't have excuses which you need to be motivated. You need to be self motivated. Self leadership is very important. Yabo, amandla wonke kuwena. 2, why these people who are spiritually awakened, they don't like they are alone. They are in a very isolative journey. They are kept aside, like they are strangers, they are outsiders. They are perceived in a different way. But for themselves, they just recuse themselves from the majority and the collective. Why? It's because vele ngokwe law of vibration, laba you don't match with them. Vibrationally, energetically, you are not matching. Right? That is the first thing. 2, if uzoloku ukhuluma nalabantu bakho abadala laba oshumi bakho bakudala, chances are they are going to polarize you. Kanti wena you polarize yourself by design to a desired state la emqondweni wakho. So if they come, they are not at the same level of vibration, ne? So what they are going to do, they are going to come with lack, fear, and all these things that you don't want to manifest in your life. And then they polarize you. Because already you don't match your worlds are too different. So you are protecting yourself. That is why you don't want them around. Or it's not that you don't want them around, but you don't match. That's the thing. Energy doesn't lie. So that is why more often than not you find that you are just alone, because you are protecting your mental state. It's not that you are a child, but you are protecting your mental state. So you know that you better be with people that you vibrate at the same vibrational frequency. So that is why we are alone like that. You are protecting yourself. Because everything, you know exactly what you don't want to live by default. You want to live by design. You impregnate your subconscious mind with what you want to manifest. The subconscious mind doesn't ask, it just executes. It's like electricity. It doesn't ask. It just executes. Because the subconscious mind works hand in hand with the superconscious. Subconscious is yourself in God. And it's like a child. It's like a child, rather. It's like a child. It sees you. It hears you. It observes you. How you do things, how you talk, how you treat yourself. It records that and bring it forth to you. So everything you do it to yourself. You are the one who is doing all these things to yourself. You want peace, but you focus on havoc. You want safety, but you focus on things that will constantly bring fear to you. And those things are impressed in your subconscious. So whatever you sow, so shall you reap. Because whatever you put into your subconscious is what you are going to reap. If you say, this is working, yeah, it will work. So you have to learn to do these things to you consciously, not unconsciously. peace.